Look what I found. This awesome tool allows you to slice columns from massive CSV files, search rows with pattern matching, and even run SQL queries on those without a database. It's a command line suite called CSVKit that turns your terminal into a data analysis powerhouse for working with CSV files. CSVKit is a collection of utilities designed to make working with tabular data fast and efficient. Instead of opening Excel or writing Python scripts for simple tasks, you can view, transform, and analyze data directly from the command line. You can install it with pip command. Once installed, verify by checking the version with CSVCut with version flag. Let's start simple. Say you have a file called sales. To see what columns are in your data, use the cut tool with the N flag. This lists every column with its index number. No need to open the file or scroll through headers. Now say you only want to see specific columns. Use the same tool with C flag and list the columns you need. For example, pass name, price, and quantity to that flag. But raw CSV output is hard to read. Pipe your result into the look tool. This formats everything into a nice table with borders and aligned text. Much easier to scan through. To filter rows based on conditions, use the grep tool. The C flag specifies which column to search. The M flag matches exact values. You can also use R flag for rejects patterns if you need more complex matching. For statistics on your data, use the stat tool. This analyzes every column and gives you summaries. For text columns, it shows unique values and the most common entries. For numbers, you get min, max, mean, median, and standard deviation. For dates, it identifies the range, all calculated instantly without writing a single line of code. Let's look at a real example. Say you downloaded sales data as an Excel file. First, convert it to CSV with into CSV. Run this command and redirect the output to a new file. Now you have clean data ready to work with. Next, you want to find all transactions over $1,000 in the electronics category. Pipe your file through the grep tool twice. First one filters by category, next one filters by amount using rejects. The R flag with the pattern matches prices over 1,000. To analyze multiple files at once, use the stack tool to combine them. If you have sales data split by region like East, West, and North files, this command merges them into one dataset. Add the G flag to include a column that identifies which file each row came from. Now let's say you need to join two datasets. Use the join command. Imagine you have customers and orders files. Both have a customer ID column. Run it with C flag to specify the join column. This merges the files based on matching IDs, similar to an SQL join operation. Speaking of queries, this SQL tool lets you use those on the files directly. You don't need a database. The tool treats your file as a table and runs the query. To convert your results to JSON, use the CSV JSON command at indent4 for readable formatting. One common task is converting API JSON responses. Pipe the response through into CSV JSON format with an F flag. This converts nested objects into a flat CSV structure you can work with. If you've used CSVKit before, share your experience by commenting below. It helps others to learn practical applications.